Okay, here we have some fresh chicken and what's this? Ice fish. Got banana. Enough. Enough. Oh my god. Alright. Let me test. Let's see what's happening. You know? When you're cooking food and you didn't test it, it's not always sweet. But when you cook, someone come and test for you, then you know that the food you're cooking is it sweet or not. So nice. So nice and delicious. Let me test this one. It's nice, yeah. Okay. Nice. Guess you try it. You will like it. This for Sundays, you know. Sunday things are special. Lovely. Hey guys, please I'm begging you, please try subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, I beg you. I need to get 1,000 subscribers this month so that I can start online tutorial, online coaching and other online stuff. You will also benefit because you can ask online question. You can ask question immediately when I'm streaming online. All right, please help me subscribe, share to your friends and family. All right, see you guys. I hope you will help me to boost this mission 1,000 subscription before the end of this month. Love you guys. Mwah.